Here you've got CUBOT Power, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select History. And now select Clear Browsing Data, where you will notice two possibilities. So you've got Basic and Advanced options. In Basic you will find clearing of browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and then in Advanced you will have 3 more. These are functions like saved passwords, out-of-inform data, and site settings. You can unmark some of them if you, for example, would like to leave out-of-inform data, but I would like to delete them all. And finally pick the time range in order to select it, and you've got 5 possibilities, so you can delete all data from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or from the beginning of time. And this is what I will choose, all time, because I would like to fully delete all browsing data in my device. So finally tap on Clear Data and click on OK. I've got it. As you can see, from now on there is no history here. You can create it from the beginning. And that's basically all. That's how you can clear browsing data in your CUBOT Power. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.